Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to form the Finnish partitive case or Partitiivi. Don't worry, it is much easier than it looks. We will learn three simple rules. By the end of this lesson, you will know which ending to use for most Finnish words. Rule number one, if a word ends with one vowel, we usually add a or a.
Talo. Bussi. Valoisa. Valoisa.
Please note that words ending in a, or a simply receive one more a or a.
Italia. Pimeää.
Rule number two, if a word ends with two vowels or with a consonant, we usually add te a or te a.
Maata. Puhelin.
Our final rule, if a word ends with the English letter E, we add te a or te a.
Kirje. Venettä. Huone.
Let's review. One vowel, add a or a. Two vowels or a consonant, add te a or te a. Words ending in English letter E, add te a or te a. The Partitiivi or the partitive does not use consonant gradation or kpt vaihitelu.